Hello. I hope you are having a wonderful day. This video will show you how to program your Sky+hd remote control to control your TV, from turning on and off the TV, to changing the TV volume, and selecting an input on the TV. This means you can use the Sky remote control instead of the TV remote control. The Sky+hd remote control needs to be programmed for your particular brand of TV. And to do this you need to input a particular 4-digit code into the remote control. You can use a brand code or a specific code for the make and model for your TV. This 4-digit code can be found on the Sky Help webpage, for which there is a link in the description below. To start the programming process, on the Sky+hd remote control press TV. Then press and hold the select and red button. The red light at the top of the remote control should flash twice. Press TV again. And input your 4-digit code. I shall input code 0060, the brand code for Samsung TVs. The red light should flash twice to say it recognized the code. Now we press the TV button, then the off button. If the TV does not turn off, then press TV and off again. Repeat until the TV turns off. When the TV turns off, press the select button, and the red light will flash twice. Press TV and on, and the TV should switch on. You can now use the volume controls on the Sky+hd remote control to change the volume levels on the TV. You can also use the help button on the Sky+hd remote control to cycle through the inputs on the TV. I hope this video has been of use to you. If so, please click the like button, and remember to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and stay notified of future video releases.